this year is a very special year, and this is, I've said, May's 3 years before the Rising. We've been commemorating the Rising in a different way, in different ways, and I think that you all will have had your own connection with different ceremonies throughout the country. There have been great national ceremonies, but there have also been events that I've attended very many myself throughout the country. I've been at many of them, and I think that's so important to be able to commemorate the struggles of the men and women who created the possibility for us having an independent state. It's the reason why I'm standing here as the 9th President of Ireland. And the 2016 commemorations have been very important as we went around them, Sabina and I, insofar as that they've given proper recognition to women for the first time. 50 years ago, women were somewhat left out, to put it most politely. You could say that they were excluded in many respects, but this year we have been able to put back not only great important people like, for example, the Booth sisters, and very particularly those wonderful women who served really not only in the GPO, but went on to found medical colleges, medical services, and all of that. But I think we also were able to honour the ordinary women of this country who did so much. So as we're coming to the end of 2016, the year of commemorations, I think that it's important, and I will be emphasising it in the end speeches, that we not see it as something that's ended. But the best way of honouring the people of 1916 is to continue our actions and to continue and build even more on the importance of solidarity and caring and inclusion, and working for the values of equality and justice and respect and human dignity. And I think that we're all called upon to exercise that, not just in the words that we might use during 2016, but to put it into practice in our daily lives, and in particularly as we all are recalling all those people, hundreds of thousands, millions of Irish people who fled from our shores in conditions of dispossession and insecurity, that those who come to our shores, be they coming from dispossession or insecurity, or simply seeking a new and secure way of life, that we offer them the welcome that is appropriate in a republic. And I think that, again, we are reminded in this year, 2016, the centenary year, that there are no national borders to our concern.